This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by confirming Python and pip are ready. This accelerates everything that follows. Next, create a Firebase project and download a service account JSON. This is your authentication key. Once done, make a local folder, place the JSON there, and add a env entry to reference the file path so you don't hardcode secrets. Finally, install Firebase admin and Python dotenv using pip. These packages let your Python app authenticate and access Firebase services cleanly and programmatically. Now you wire up Firebase encode so your app can read and write. First, load the service account path from env and create credentials with certificate, then initialize the app, including the correct database URL or project ID. Once initialized, create a Firestore client or a real-time database reference depending on your choice. Use client, collection name, add, or ref, child path, set to write and use get to read. Make sure to handle exceptions and log responses for visibility. Finish by securing and validating your integration so it works in production. Set Firebase security rules, or IAM roles, to limit access and rotate keys when possible. Then run integration tests that perform real reads and writes. If tests pass, deploy to your environment. If something goes wrong, first check that your service account JSON path is correct, ensure system time is accurate for JWTs, and verify the database URL matches the project. If errors persist, log full exception messages and retry with exponential backoff.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.